Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter settings for Nokia Body Plus scale. And to do this, first thing is to get the app for this specific scale, and you can check our previous video for the setup. Now you can enter devices, select customize screen. Here you can customize any screens visible for your scale. You can enter settings by clicking on those settings right here. Change name, location, connect it to the Wi-Fi, send the debug data if you want, fat mass measurements, athlete mode, you can enable it, or get through walkthrough again. That's a quick tutorial on how to use this weight. Check for any firmware updates, see the serial number, software version, and last time it was synchronized. You can also click on dissociate with this product and it will be unpaired from your app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.